back to my channel. Hi to each and every one of you guys watching. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Diana and welcome to the Fam Bam. So I want to go ahead and do a video for you guys and welcome if you're my old subscriber, old viewer. What's up, guys? Hi. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial showing you guys how to do this look here. Now I'm going to be showing you guys what I do for my eyeshadow look. Mainly the other things I won't be showing you guys because I've showed them a lot in my videos. If you guys are interested in showing you guys how I apply my bronzer, my other stuff, let me know down below and I'll go ahead and do it for you guys. The eyebrows, I did do a eyebrow tutorial recently, so if you guys have not checked that video out, go ahead and check it out. It's somewhere in my channel. Go on. It's my other video that I have recently put up. So hopefully you guys like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and show you guys what I do for my makeup look. This makeup look is gonna be a makeup look to show you guys what I do. Now I do have a subscriber on here that doesn't like me taking forever doing my videos, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward the parts where I do my makeup. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the Prism palette by Anastasia. So first I'm just gonna go ahead and fast forward. So rest of my face and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so this is the end result. I did apply my eyebrows, everything else that I usually apply on my face. You guys have maybe seen it in my video. You guys can go check out my videos. I do have foundation and like a video with showing you guys how I apply my foundation and all that good stuff. But basically I will be showing you guys how I apply my foundation on this video. I won't be showing you guys how I did everything else because I feel like I've done it before in my video in my channel. So yeah, this is it for the end results. I hope you guys like the video. For my lipstick, I'm wearing this liquid lipstick by Stila and it's called Caramello, just in case you guys are wondering. This is the lipstick, and yeah, that's about it, guys. Hopefully you guys do like this video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Now I am fast forwarding, I can't say the fucking word, but I'm fast forwarding for that. I'm doing that. I'm playing my videos faster when I do my makeup, so you guys I won't take as long, because I do have a viewer out there. What's up, hobby? So I have a viewer that tells me that I take forever doing my makeup. That is my brother. Hi, bro. He is my supporter in this. Him and my sister-in-law, hi Jackie, they always watch my videos, and I want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I'm so excited and I'm so happy that I do have viewers. I mean, I have a couple, not that many, but a couple of them, you know what I mean? But I have my little viewers out there. So this is the look. I hope you guys do like it. It's not an extreme out the box look. It is more like a wearable look. I didn't wear colors this time, so I wore this. I will be showing you guys what I'm using. I did use I think it was the modern, no, not the modern Renaissance palette. I used the Prism palette by Anastasia. So yeah, that's about that. That was not a fart, guys. That was my chair. Okay, I can make that noise again. Wait. Okay, that's not a fart. That's my chair. Anyways, guys, so I hope you guys do like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and thank you guys for watching. Bye.